I told you I wanted to be completely transparent with what I eat, and for some reason, my YouTube Shorts draft kind of messed up. So I was so hungry that I already ate the food. But because I have some left over, I can show you what I ate earlier. So all I
Subscribe.
had was a slice of this. This is
MK.
cornbread with chicken. And then I also had some of this. So this is actually frozen, but the one that I ate wasn't. So it was just some caldo de res. And I topped it off all, and I topped it all off or up, bueno, with some refried beans. And that was it. So this is my daily login for meal 2, day 46K. Bye.